Hi guys, this is Alex from Black Dev Gaming here, and today we're talking about Minecraft servers. Not how to set up one, we'll probably do a video on that later, but we're going to be doing a video on how to actually set up a server when you haven't got any internet connection. Now, I only found this like last night because I was just messing around in the settings, and why would you want an offline server? Well, say if there was like, if you're running bucket server, say if there's a special plugin or something that you really like, and obviously because those plugins aren't compatible with the single player mode, you want to use the plugins that are on the server. Also, you can create a private server just for yourself, so nobody else can connect to this. This is only you and your computer. So that means you have to be running the server, which I am trying to go to do on this computer, unless it lags out. Okay, so you can either download the Minecraft server, the vanilla Minecraft server, or you can download Bucket. I prefer Bucket, to be honest, because it allows you to install third-party plugins like God mod. You can have jail for griefing and flying boots and that sort of stuff, so it's really cool. But it's really up to you, really. Okay, so we're going to navigate into wherever your Minecraft stuff is located. I conveniently called my Minecraft stuff. And I've made a little folder called server. You'll want to make a little folder called server. Now, as you can see, I've already run this server before, so I've got all these files that you should have. Download the either bucket.craftbucket or Minecraft server. I'll give you a link to Bucket if you want in the description, and you're basically going to have to drag that over into your new server folder, or wherever you want to put it. Okay, now double clicking that .jar won't work because it won't run. Well, it will run, but it won't give you like a little output. Now that's completely up to you. If you like it running silently, then you can just run it like that. I like to have a little bit of output so I know what's going on in my server. So if this is the case, you want to create a document, empty file, or start bucket. Okay. Now on Windows this will be slightly different. I'm not really sure. I think it would be you just navigate. Sorry, I've got a bit of a cold here. You just navigate to where your bucket is, and then Java, how much RAM you want to assign to it. Now I want to assign a bit more RAM to this, so I want to assign a bit more than what comes with it, otherwise it just lags. So anyway, this is on a Linux one, so we're going to create a shell script here. So at the start we're going to put the hash sign and then the exclamation mark and then bin sh. This makes the system know that it's a shell script. Now we're going to do cd and then wherever your stuff is. So notice that if a folder has a space in it, you put it in speech marks. So that's where my stuff is. And then Java, XMS. Now mine's really slow computer, so I'm going to have to assign 490 initial memory, XMX 512 jar. It's helpful if you rename the craft bucket to just craftbucket.jar, but that's completely up to you. Okay, that's basically it. Alright, so you want to save that, and it should, the gedit in Ubuntu, it should automatically save it as a shell script. But I've already got one here, so I'm not going to mess around with that. So then you have to go right click it, go to properties, go to permissions and tick this box, allow executing file as program. Okay, now you want to go into the server.property. Well, sorry, no, I've already made this. So you're going to have to start the server and let it generate all these files. So plugins, world nether, band IPs, band players, bucket YML, ops, server log, server properties and whitelist. before you start, the only two files that you should have is craft bucket and start Minecraft server, or whatever you called it, whatever you call the shell script. So you're just going to let it run once, close the server, and it should generate all these files. And then we're going to open the server.properties, and first of all we're going to change the offline mode. It should be true to false. Now, because you haven't got an internet connection, it can't connect to Minecraft.net for authentication of the usernames. So if you have that on to true, everybody who connects has to have a genuine Minecraft account, because it connects to Minecraft.net. If you have it to false, then if you do have an internet connection, people with a cracked Minecraft can play, but because we haven't got an internet connection, it won't try to connect to Minecraft.net. If you have that on true, it won't work, it will give you an error. Now, server IP. Now, normally when this is left blank, you want to put either localhost, I haven't tried this, or what I tried is 127.0.0.1. So as you can see, 127.0.0.1. This is the internal IP address of your computer. Click save. Okay, so that's all saved. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to launch Minecraft now. Okay, so just going to start the Minecraft server, and we're going to run it in the terminal, and a new terminal window should just pop up there. Okay, so I'm just going to start Minecraft as well. I create a little script to sign up to more RAM. Okay, so Minecraft should be loading up now. And yeah, so as you can see, you can't connect to Minecraft.net. And the main reason why I do all this is because, like, it's good. I like the stuff in the server only plugins that you can't get anywhere else, and half the time my internet doesn't work, so this is quite good. So I just click play offline while I was explaining that. I just clicked play offline, and as you could see there, it couldn't connect to Minecraft.net. Also, if you look at the top bar by where it says 1022, you see a little kind of like ice cream cone shape. Now this is the wireless indicator, and because it's got no bars in, that means I actually have no signal. So I turn my wireless off actually. Okay, so we've got to the Minecraft main menu now. I haven't got any texture packs, just the default thing. And we're going to click on multiplayer there, and instead of the server IP that you normally have in that box, we're going to type 127.0.0.1 and hit connect. Should log us in. We'll just put that into full screen, and it should log us in. And I've just list connected player as a player, so it won't have your default Minecraft account. So that's my little house. Sorry, I'm going through it so quickly. Now Zeus, this is the god. It's a server only mod, and as you can see, it's got lightning bolts coming down from the sky. And I'm going to use the give command as well, so give player 45. This is bricks. And yeah, so yeah, basically that's the server. So please like this if this worked for you, and thank you for watching, guys. We'll see you again soon. Bye bye. And just a little quick reminder, guys, that if you haven't already, please do try out the 59p Minecraft Pro app in the iOS App Store. This is a really good app, and it will help you a lot with the discovery and how to make things on Minecraft and what all the items do. It also has a few stories in there, so if you're bored and you want to read some interesting stories, then there you go. But please do check it out. It's 59p, but it's a really great app. Okay, bye bye.